In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Outlook messages to Thunderbird. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect so your mail lands in Thunderbird safely and in the right place. First, open Thunderbird. We'll use its built-in import tool to bring in content from Outlook. It's best to do this on the computer where your Outlook data already lives. Keep Thunderbird open and responsive and avoid heavy tasks while the import runs so it completes smoothly. In Thunderbird, look to the top right corner and click the 3 horizontal lines. That's the application menu. From that menu, choose Tools. This opens a set of utilities designed for maintenance and migration. Next, click Import. This launches the import wizard, which guides the process and helps Thunderbird connect with your Outlook data. In the wizard, select Import from Outlook. This option tells Thunderbird to locate and copy your Outlook content into its own folder structure. If the option is present, you're good to go. Click Continue. You'll now see choices for what to import. Pick exactly what you need. If you only want messages, select Mail. Choosing only what you plan to use can make the process faster and keep your new setup tidy. When you've made your selections, click Continue again to confirm. Now click Start Import. Thunderbird will begin copying your Outlook items into its local storage. The duration depends on how much mail you have and whether messages include large attachments. While it runs, let Thunderbird stay open and don't put your computer to sleep. If a prompt appears asking for permission to access Outlook data, approve it so the import can proceed without interruption. When the import completes, check the folder pane in Thunderbird. Your newly imported messages typically appear under a section labeled Imported, Outlook, or within local folders, mirroring your Outlook folder tree. Open a few folders, scan message counts, and spot check a couple of emails to confirm that subject lines, dates, and attachments look correct. If something seems missing, rerun the import wizard and select only the items you still need. That's the full process. One more quick recap. Open Thunderbird, click the 3-line menu, go to Tools, choose Import, select Import from Outlook, click Continue, choose what to bring over, click Continue again, and then start Import. With these steps, your Outlook messages move into Thunderbird cleanly, ready for everyday use. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined inbox in Thunderbird.